Welcome to the March website curators meeting. I hope everyone is doing quite well. I apologize for missing last month's meeting, but as you can still hear, I'm still recovering from not having much of a voice, but it's going much better now, which is always good. So, first off, I hope everyone's doing very well and everything is going smoothly. Um, I will tell you that we have for the website redesign, we have chosen a vendor, and that is Parent Square. We chose Parent Square based on not only its website capabilities, but also its communication capabilities. It allows teachers to talk to their parents, and even if the parents don't speak English, it'll translate for them. So that was really neat. And I'm sure there's a lot of other ones, but that was the big one that stuck out for me. Um, with that redesign in mind, we are looking at releasing the website, you know, remade in that system in August. In the meantime, we are going to be uh, working on migrating slowly but surely. Um, there isn't really anything you guys need to do with that. The only thing I might say is that if you're posting up a PDF, it might be wise to just upload the PDF to a drive on Google. We might create a shared drive. Um, or if you just want to put it up on your on just like share it on off your drive, and then use that link to reference the PDF or document on your page. The reason for that is because we're having to move everything off of the storage on the web server because the company that the Parent Square, they're going to be helping us migrate, and they charge us for every 100 items that we have to move, and so we're trying to minimize that. So, but if you have any questions about that, or if you have a lot of documents you want to store, we can set up a shared drive for all those. And that way we can just kind of keep them. And that way, when they move over the pages that are referencing those, there will be minimal disruption. So there is that. Okay. Just a quick reminder about accessibility issues. Just be mindful that whenever you post a picture or if you use a QR code, that you're filling in the alt text for the picture, and that you're also referencing, putting a link separate from the QR code. That way, if someone doesn't have a phone or they're not using it, or for whatever reason it doesn't work with QR codes, they can still get to that wherever that's linking to. Okay, and just general website maintenance, just make sure that your staff pages are up to date. Like I said, all those pages are going to get migrated over to the new site um, whenever that happens. They say it's going to take about 14 weeks because apparently they do it by hand, which is, I think, good. So just make sure everything's up to date. Um, let's see. Yeah, just check for spelling, grammatical errors. Nothing big there. The other thing I'd like to say about the new website um, is that when they migrate everything over, they're not going to be migrating the calendar or recent news pages because we're going to be starting fresh with the new year. So we will have access probably to the old site for a while. Um, so if we're missing anything, we can always kind of dig back through and get that. Um, again, sorry for missing last month's meeting, but I was pretty I was pretty sick for a good portion of the month, and just didn't have much of a voice. So if you have any questions, anything that you need help with, reach out to me via email or reach out via the Google Spaces group chat. and I can certainly help you there, or I could even go to your school. Happy to do any of those things. So I hope you have a really good rest of the month. I will be posting the April, yes, the April checklist when it gets closer to the end of March. Um, so have a good rest of March. And again, if you need anything, I'm always here. Okay. Have a good rest of your day, and hope everything continues to go smoothly. Goodbye.